Here's another Brazilian, Allan Moraes, just about to score big on high voltage last night, and then he came off as the clock struck 7.9. And guys, he needed that when he sits 47th in the qualifier standings. Could we have 3 Moraeses in Vegas? Not if he doesn't pick it up.
He's got to ride this bull. Matter of fact, the score has got to be in the high 80s to get him to the championship round on 1 after the no score last night. Yes, I know it was close. It was 7.9, but it doesn't count. Number 47, he's trying to go to Vegas, and I want to tell you, there's some guys sweating. Number 45 is Brian Cantor. Number 44 is Dustin LeBeth. Number 43, Corey Navarre. Those are the guys who are watching at home this week, wondering if Dan Hendricks or Allan Moraes will bump them out of the PBR's World Finals.
Remember last year we didn't have any injury alternates until well into the event. Sometimes you get numbers 47 and number 48 to get there because some guys are hurt. No guarantee of that, though. Allan needs it bad. It's to the right, into his hand. That bull hipping himself against the side gates, but then comes back to the middle, and Allan makes the whistle. Will it be enough?
You know what? That might be enough points. That's a really solid bull ride, and I'll tell you why I think he's going to maybe be a few more points than some people might suspect. This guy was never out of position. Another guy that just is in total control.
The only thing, Justin, I've got to say about this bull ride, and you're right, he made a great effort here, but this bull starts to the right, but he jumps out of it and wastes some time jumping out of the spin, and then, eventually coming back into the spin, but I think that's going to dock his bull ride.
And did you see he changed directions right when he hipped himself into that side chute? That was unfortunate for Allan. You see it with the clock, no problem with the time. Will it be enough points? Judges say 85, and right now that's got him tied for 10th and 11th.
Boy, that's going to be close.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't think it will.
I don't think so either.
I don't think that'll help. I don't think that'll get him there.